Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior and has a beige interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, another look at the sunroof here, and a quick look up front. We have heated seats here, memory seats with the driver seat controls, and the driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 16,853, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio. We have our backup camera here. Climate control, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.